Today we are going to be experimenting on
Smarties! Mia, which Smartie will dissolve faster? The one in boiling water or the one in room temperature water?
I don't know.
Well, that's what we're going to find out.
Let's show you our materials. Our first step is measuring 1 cup of room temperature water.
Next up, we need 1 cup of boiling water.
Now we are going to carry the boiling water onto the heat pad. Next we have to pour the hot water into the measuring cup one more time. Now we are going to form the experiment. This is the hot water. This is the cold water. And we have 2 white Smarties. Ready? Set, go.
For fun, we decided to drink the boiling water with the dissolved Smartie in it.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Doesn't taste like anything.
It doesn't. It's just like...
That concludes our experiment.